Hey guys, this is Chris with affiliatetuber.com. Today I want to talk to you about how to make money on Clickbank, or how to sell your own products on Clickbank. Now, most people who's done any kind of affiliate marketing or looked up for places to sell products online have probably ran across Clickbank. If you're an affiliate marketer, you probably know this very well because they offer products up to 75% in commission that you can earn for every sale. But as a vendor, it's a little bit different. As a vendor, you have a whole army of affiliates who's waiting to find your product on here to promote it. But the problem is that Clickbank can be strict, and they have a simple process that has to be followed with certain things that has to be added to your website and different things that you have to know or your product just won't get approved. And if you've ever tried adding your own product to Clickbank before, I'm sure you've found this out and maybe found a lot of stuff that just looked intimidating and couldn't quite understand what to do or how to do it. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a product that just got released today that tells you step by step through some very well made videos how to set up and sell your own product on Clickbank. And the great thing is it costs less than $20, and you can find it at cbstar.net, or you just click the link under this video in the description box. It'll take you straight to the page. And what it is CB Superstar, or cbstar.net, is a website you can go to and is a full training system that shows you everything from just getting started. So if you are a complete beginner and maybe you've never even set up an account on Clickbank before, that's what it's going to go over. And then it'll go over your account settings, integrating your product and getting it set up on Clickbank, submitting it for approval, creating your funnel, your JV page, and then it has advanced training that includes creating JV contracts. And a lot of this stuff many people probably don't even know that you can do. So if you've had a Clickbank account before as a vendor and maybe tried selling products before, this is a great way to go in there and get details about all the other features that Clickbank offers a vendor that may be very beneficial to you. You can also learn how to set affiliate commissions to 100%, and you may think, why do this for? And a lot of reasons why people do this, or why vendors do this, is because to them, what they offer in the upsell is better than earning the 100% or even 50% commissions for themselves, or also just having that contact information, getting the customer's email name so they can market to them in the future, which is why once in a while you will see them giving out 100% affiliate commissions. You'll learn how to create discount codes, running contests, setting up $1 trials, adding multiple products to one account. There's also additional resources, support, and there's a product creation workshop that you can join also. Guys, all this less than $20. A great way to get started with building another income stream. Now, one thing I will say is that there are two upsells to this product. The first one contains, I believe it was 50 PLR, or private label right products, that you can have and use even if you want to rename them your own name, and if you want to upload them to your own website and promote them through your own Clickbank account and get affiliates to sell it for you. It's a great way to start. They have their own websites included with them, everything you need to start building a business with pre-made products. And I think it was around $20 or $30 to get access to all those products, all 50 of them, with private label rights. There was one other upsell after that, which I think was around $20 or $30 more, and it was a niche marketing kit which has over 60 products in it. And I wasn't too crazy over that upsell simply because it's just a variation, a huge variety of products. And for 60 products, if you get all those and you're starting to go through them, is trying to learn them and seeing what they are and reading through them, your main focus is going to be taken away from what you're trying to do, which is actually get your product up on Clickbank and selling it. So keep that in mind as you go through the upsells. The first one I would highly recommend for the PLR products. The second one's optional, up to you. In my opinion, I didn't pick it up because my focus was learning how to get my product on Clickbank, and that's what I want to do. And that's exactly what this course teaches. So if you're interested in this, you can pick it up at cbstar.net or just visit the link under this video. If you guys enjoyed this review, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be sure to put out more videos like this where I take you inside members area and go over the details of these products so you know what they are before you buy them. Thanks guys, have a great week.